Dear students, continuing with the class discussion of today, here is your graph that you want to see and answer. It's a chart about different areas of crime in Panama City. This was the task. We have discussed it in detail in the class, but here are some pointers once again. Robbery, if you use a weapon or strength to take something away from a person. Theft, you can take it away, and burglary means you actually enter a property to take something away. Rough notes, city is Panama. Line graph or linear representation, period spanning a decade from 2010 to 2019. Three categories of criminal activities: burglary, robbery, car theft. Crime rate, number of incidences of crimes per year. What does the graph show? Do not write the words in the bracket. They are just pointers to tell you how to attempt this. What does the graph show? The given linear representation illustrates and correlates. What does it illustrate? Information or statistics about the variation changes in the incidence of three categories of criminal activities. What type of activities? Burglary, car theft, robbery. Where? In the city of Panama. Period. The study is about a period spanning a decade from 2010 to 2019. And how is the data counted? The data is counted in per year, or you can say the data is calibrated in numbers per year. Further rough notes, look at the starting points: burglary, car theft, robbery. Further rough notes, look at the ending point: burglary, car theft, robbery. You know the points. Look at the highest points: burglary in the year, car theft, the highest point in the year, robbery, starting, ending, same point, highest point, you can note. Further of note, look at the lowest points: lowest point of burglaries in the year, car theft in the year, robbery in the year. Look at the general trends: burglary more or less a downward trend, decline, continues, steady, use these words. Car theft, number declined, 2 recovered. Robbery, number of incidents almost steady, remained at a plateau right through the period. These are just rough notes. This is the overall. Overall, at the beginning of the period, the number of burglaries were much more than those other two types of crime. However, then they slipped steadily, and by the end of the period, the incident of car thefts had outrun all the others. One way of writing the overall. Use approximately, near about, almost, a little above, little below. You can use all these. I have explained this in your class. And example, initially the number of burglary were approximately 3,500. Okay, this is how you write it. You can comment under the YouTube video, or you can mail, or you can send it to us as WhatsApp. Thank you.